In today's video, I'm going to teach you the Zendrop order fulfillment process explained. Let's walk through what actually happens from the moment a customer places an order on your online store, all the way to the product arriving at their doorstep using Zendrop. First, imagine a customer has just bought a product from the store you've connected to Zendrop. As soon as that order comes in on your e-commerce platform, it's also synced into your Zendrop account. This is where you'll manage the fulfillment side of things. Start by logging into your Zendrop admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the section labeled Orders and click on it. This will open up your full order list. Take a moment to review the orders here so you're sure you're working on the right one. When you found the specific order you want to fulfill, look over to the right side of that row and you'll see a Fulfill button. Go ahead and click that. A pop-up window will appear with a clear breakdown of the costs involved in fulfilling that order. You'll see the product cost, the shipping cost, and the order fee, and you may also see a toggle related to using available credit. This breakdown is helpful because it shows you exactly what you're paying before you commit. Once you've reviewed everything and you're happy with it, click Fulfill Order to complete the process for that single order. If you have several orders to process, Zendrop also makes bulk fulfillment easy. On the top right of your orders page, there's a Fulfill All button. Clicking this will initiate fulfillment for every pending order in the list, again showing you a pop-up with the cost breakdown before you confirm. If you only want to fulfill some of the orders, select the specific products or orders you want. Once those are selected, a bulk fulfill button will appear at the top of the order number column. Click that, review the cost in the pop-up just like before, and confirm. To save even more time, you can turn on automatic fulfillment. Look to the top right of your orders page and you'll see a toggle next to auto fulfillment. Switch that on, then open the drop-down to choose how it should work. You can select auto fulfillment instantly or set it to run daily. There are also options to add a 24-hour delay or use promos, which can be useful if you want a small buffer before orders are charged and sent. Once you've paid and the order is fulfilled through Zendrop, the rest of the logistics are handled for you. Zendrop sends the order details to a supplier who picks and packs the product. Depending on what you've set up, this can include optional branding on the packaging. The supplier then ships the product directly to your customer, either from China or from a US warehouse, depending on availability and your chosen settings. As soon as the order ships, a tracking number is generated. Zendrop automatically syncs that tracking number back to your Shopify store, so your customer can see the shipment status without any extra work on your part. They'll receive the usual delivery updates while you keep the profit margin from the sale after covering the costs you saw in the fulfillment pop-up. And that's the full Zendrop order fulfillment process, from receiving an order to paying for fulfillment to hands-off shipping and tracking updates for your customer.